Hi everyone, this is Vikram and today I am going to explain how you can enroll in the Google Cloud Ready Facilitator program. This is the URL of the website of Google Cloud Ready Facilitator. I will put this into the description box so that you can easily access to it. So we are going to enroll in the program. So first click on the enroll in the program button, then click on enroll in the program here. So now you can see this is the form which we have to fill to be enrolled in this program. So first click on next, then you have to just accept the terms and conditions. Click on yes, I accept the terms and click on next button. Here you have to fill out your details, so I'm filling my details. Please make sure both the email IDs are same, otherwise your application to enroll in this program will be rejected by Google. What's your t-shirt size? You have to choose your t-shirt size from this list. Either we can also see the size chart here by clicking on this link. Select your institution name. Please pay attention, it is very important to select your institution name. These are the list of institution. If your institution is in this list, so you can easily select from it, or either way, if your institution is not listed in this list, so you can just select others and type your institution name. But in my case, my institution is already listed in this list, so I am going to choose from there. So my institution name is Shivaji Rao Kadam Institute of Technology and Management Technical Campus. Please refer institute name. in this uh, in this reference institute, you have to choose only Shivaji Rao Kadam Institute of Technology and Management Technical Campus. Your year of graduation. uh, Please make sure you select yes. Do you have access to a working internet connection? Either way, your enrollment will be rejected. Do you have an account on Quick Labs? If you click on yes, I already have an account, click on next button. Then you have to put your Quick Labs public profile URL here and click on acknowledge button. Then click on submit. If you do not have an account on Quick Labs, then you should click on no, I want to create one. Click on next button. uh, then create your account on Quick Labs now. So navigate to this URL, then join. You have to just accept the terms and conditions. I am not a robot. I accept. Finally, we have created our Quick Lab account. So we have to first complete a tour lab of Quick Labs and Google Cloud in order to get our public profile URL of Quick Labs. So we are going to taking a tour of Quick Labs and Google Cloud. So we have to spend at least 5 to 7 minutes in this lab. After completing this lab, we have to end this labs. After that, we can able to make our profile public. These are some questions we have to answer this to test your understanding what you have read earlier. So I am going to answer this. Now we are going to end this lab. Now go to the home page, then click on my learning. Here you can see we completed the lab. Here you can see we have completed this lab, our tour of Quick Labs and Google Cloud, and get 100 out of 100. To make the profile public, we have to just click on view public profile. Click on make profile public. Here you can see my profile is public and accessible at. We have to just copy it from there and just paste it into the form. We have successfully created our Quick Labs account and create a public profile URL. We have to just paste it here and click on I acknowledge and then click on submit. What happens when you submit? Uh, the instruction to avail your free credit pass on Quick Labs. After that, you will get a mail by the instruction how you can redeem your 2 month subscription to Quick Labs. Click on submit. Here you are ready to go. I hope you understand this and will follow this video to get enrolled in this program. In the second part, I will show how you can redeem your 2 month subscription for the QuickLab account.